Hello, I'm Arrimus3D, and welcome to the best 3D modeling and design course on the internet. Are you ready to make your imagination a reality? In this course, you will learn how to use multiple programs, from Blender and Max to ZBrush and Plasticity. You will learn to sculpt, retopologize, polymodel, kit bash, and learn what kinds of thoughts and decisions I put into my designs. The course has several sections. In the first section, we'll learn the basics of using all the programs. In the following sections, you will see full modeling projects from beginning to end. You will see the sculpting phase, then retopology, then polymodeling, then using CAD to add complex parts, then further sculpting refinements, and then the final detailing. Are you someone who wants to hit the ground running in 3D design and get to grips with using a variety of programs and modeling styles? Do you want a course that will teach you the basics and then show you how to use what you've learned at a high level? Do you want a course with minimal fast-forwarding that you can follow and understand? This course was made for you. Check out the free previews, and I look forward to seeing what you can do after completing the course. I am confident that you will not regret giving this course a chance. Thank you for watching, and take care.